Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to stop supervision from a Google account. So let's get started. Make sure you are using Google Chrome. So open it and go to the top right side of your screen. Here you will find your profile icon. Click on this and click on manage your Google account. Once you are in, on the left hand side, you will see people and sharing option. Click on this and you will land on this kind of interface. Now here you have your family on Google. So click on the manage your family group, and once you are in, here is the list of all members currently in your family group. So if you want to remove anyone, just click on the arrow and here you get to cancel the member or remove the member from your family group. You can also cancel the invitation which you are sent to anyone. Just click on the cancel invitation button and the invitation is cancelled. So that's it. You have successfully removed supervision from your Google account by adjusting some family link. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.